Welcome student. This is Deepali Vijay Jadhav from Anantrao Thopte College, now teaching you information technologies. Today we are going to learn first chapter's topic image mapping. Okay? You have already learned in 11th standard how to insert image on a web page and also know what is a hyperlink. See, this is example of one image and this is example of a hyperlink. What is hyperlink? Whenever user click on one word or sentence on our image, he will get open another link document. This is called as a hyperlink. Okay? In this session, we will learn what is image map and how to create image map. Okay, image map is a single graphical image that consists of several hyperlinks. Okay, and or we can say an image with multiple hyperlinks is called as image map. The specific area within the image are known as a hotspot. Okay, the clickable region are called as hotspot. There are two types of image map. One is client side and another is a server side. In this video, we are going to learn only the client side image map. Okay, this is one image shows or indicates what is image map. Whenever user click on this region, this rectangular region, he will get open another link document. Okay, this is called as a image map. For this creating this image map, the several tags is used. Among these tags, the most important tag is image tag. You are already know that image tag or img tag is used to insert the image on a web page, and here the use map attributes is used in a client side image map. This attributes acts as a pointer which indicates that the image is a client side image map. Another attribute is a map. This attributes has only one image and that is the name. This name is nothing but our image name. Okay. Another most important tag is area tags. Okay. This area tag specifies the area of a hotspot or a clickable area on our web page. Okay. These are the several attributes of area tag. First one is a href. This href attribute defines the URL to which the clickable region within the image map native. Okay. Shape. It has a value rect, indicates rectangle, circle or a polygon with the help of coordinates. ALT tag. This ALT tag is nothing but alternate text. It specifies the extra information about the clickable region. This is the one code. This is the example of image map tag. Okay, here I am using a image img tag with its src attribute, and here I specify whole path or I provide the whole path of my this image. Okay, use map indicates that this is the client side image map. Okay, map and its attribute name, it specifies the image map name. Area tags, here I am using href, shapes and alternate. As we earlier discussed, ALT tags is used to describe the extra information to the user. Rect, here I use the shape rectangular, and whenever user click on this area, he will get open which website? Yes, google.com. Okay. Another, here I am going to use a local file form.html. In this region, it indicates in a circle and alternate text Great Wall of China. Okay. See, this is the output. of our code. Here I using a image, okay, tulips, and whenever user click on this circle, it will display the form.html on the screen. Okay, now we see the live demonstration of this code. Okay, this is our output. If I whenever I place or whenever I click or press the mouse button, see, this is the mouse pointer and it converted into finger point. That indicates this is a hyperlink. Whenever I click here, as you see here, another form.html file get open. See again, if I click here, another file will get open. Okay, this is our code. With the help of SRC, I insert a tulips image on our web page using area tag and its attribute. I specify the client side image map. Okay, thank you.